So in this easel tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to add icons into a design here on Easel. So once you have the Easel application opened up, simply go to the right hand side of your screen, go down to where it says elements right here and press on elements. Then on this elements tab, go right to the middle to where it says icons. So right in between illustrations and borders, press on icons. And then once the icons load, what it's going to do is actually show you a whole bunch of different icon elements that you can use in your easel design. So for example, if you wanted to use a pizza icon, you can use the pizza icon just like that. If you want to maybe use the Apple icon, you can use the Apple icon and play around with it, a whole bunch of different icons. If you want to go to the top here and search up a car, for instance, you can search up a car and then find a car icon. So just like that, you can use the car icon and get creative, do whatever you have to do. This is pretty good for graphics and illustrations here on the Easel application. So fairly straightforward, but that is how you guys can add icons into a design here on Easel. Thanks again for watching and hope this video helps.